Mastering Hyphenation. Taming the Tricky Hyphen. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to tackle one of the most challenging aspects of English punctuation, the hyphen. We'll delve into the world of hyphenation rules and exceptions. So grab your notebooks, and let's untangle this complex topic together. A hyphen is a punctuation mark used to join words or parts of words. While it might look small and simple, the hyphen has some very specific and sometimes confusing rules. However, once you understand these rules, you'll find that the hyphen is a powerful tool in your writing arsenal. When do we use a hyphen? Here are some common rules. 1. Compound words. We use hyphens in certain compound words, such as well-being, 6-year-old, and mother-in-law. 2. Compound adjectives. When two or more adjectives come together before a noun and act as a single idea, we use a hyphen. For example, a well-known author, a full-time job, or an up-to-date report. 3. Prefixes and suffixes. Some prefixes and suffixes require a hyphen, such as ex-husband, self-esteem, or engineer-turned-teacher. Now, for every rule, there are always exceptions. Here are a few to note. 1. No hyphen with adverbs ending in -ly. Compound adjectives that include an adverb ending in -ly are not hyphenated. For example, a quickly growing company, or a fully loaded car. 2. No hyphen after certain prefixes. Some prefixes, such as un, in, dis, re, non, and anti, usually do not take a hyphen, as in unhappy, incomplete, disagree, rewrite, non-existent, or antifreeze. Remember, hyphenation can be complex and sometimes even style guides disagree on certain cases. So, when in doubt, refer to a trusted dictionary or style guide. The use of hyphen can greatly affect the clarity of a sentence. Let's look at this example. I saw a man eating shark. This sentence can have two interpretations. 1. A man is eating shark meat. 2. There's a shark that eats men. But if we add a hyphen to form a compound adjective, I saw a man eating shark, it's clear that we're talking about a shark that eats men. So remember, a hyphen can sometimes change the whole meaning of a sentence. We've just unraveled the fascinating world of hyphenation rules and exceptions. Hopefully, this makes your journey through English language learning a bit easier. Remember, the hyphen, though small, is mighty. It can greatly impact the meaning and clarity of your sentences. So, keep practicing and soon you'll master the art of hyphenation. Thanks for joining, and until next time, keep exploring and learning.